The American Association of School Librarians standard I chose for this assignment is B1.3, which states, learners engage with new knowledge by following a process that includes generating products that illustrate learning. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to create products that display information you have learned through research. As you continue through high school, and if you decide to pursue a college degree, you will be more than likely tasked with creating products for assignments in your classes. Many careers also require employees to create presentations for various reasons. Having the ability to use technology to create presentations is both a valuable and marketable skill. I have researched and chosen 10 different online tools that can be used to create different types of presentations and projects. Each tool has its strengths, so it will be up to you to decide which one suits you and your research best. Some of the resources may require some practice, such as Prezi, while others are very easy to use right away, like the Word Cloud's website. Several of the resources listed may be more appropriate to use for in-depth research projects, and others may be more appropriate for quick studies on a new topic. Every website included on this Padlet fits with my selected standard in that they give the user the ability to create and share products that showcase their learning. Although it's not a listed reference, Padlet, the website where I listed these resources, is also an excellent tool that can be used to share your research findings. Whether you choose a tool that creates an interactive presentation or one that creates a static visual, your end products will be a great representation of your learning. The discussion question I have created for this topic is, why is it important for you, the students, to know how to present information in more than one way?